Welcome to the channel. I'm glad you're here. In today's video, we are going to explore how you can easily add a new address inside the Best Buy app. Whether you are ordering a product for yourself, sending a gift to someone else, or just updating your delivery details. First, open the Best Buy app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right and tap on the profile icon. Next, click on Account Settings. Then, select the option labeled Addresses. Once you are there, click on Add an Address. Now you will need to enter your information. Type your full name, complete address, city, state, zip code, and phone number carefully. Finally, tap the Save button, and your new address will be added successfully to your Best Buy account. Adding an address in the Best Buy app is quick and important for smooth delivery. With just a few taps, you can ensure your orders always arrive at the right place. Please consider subscribing to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching,